This is my bug I made at school in technology class when it's going a long time already. It was third period. Whoops. See, this comes out. I want the blue, I want the yellow and the pink. They make one. But you have to build it. You have to make it. It doesn't come together. You have to build it. It's pretty fun. Just look at it. Whoops. Ah! 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 See, eventually it moves away. Unless it's stuck on something. Like that. Oh, well, and if this comes out. See, these are switches. See, we had to use soldering guns. Of course, I use soldering guns already because I fix my toys when they break. Ouch! What the? They have rubber gears. That they wear out eventually too. Then if you find erasers and stick them on there, they'll work. See, it does not work on carpet. Everyone at school made one. Too bad I just don't have the pink and yellow. Then it'll be tons of fun. This is fun enough already. But with two more, it's craziness fun. Oh, he's doing it again. Oh. Well, anyways, that's my bug. 2 motors, 2 batteries. Okay, bye. Oh, and you also have to use a hair blower to bend this so you don't crack it, or else it won't drive right. Okay, so then again, bye.